Extracting nutmeg butter manually requires some effort and patience, but the process is simple and straightforward. Here are the steps. Crack the nutmeg seeds with a hammer or a mortar and pestle to reveal the nutmeg kernel inside. Add a small amount of warm water to the nutmeg powder, enough to form a paste. Start by selecting fresh nutmeg seeds. The fresher the seeds, the more butter they will yield. Grind the nutmeg kernels into a fine powder using a grinder or a food processor. Transfer the nutmeg powder into a large bowl. Knead the paste with your hands until it turns into a thick, creamy mixture. Squeeze the cloth tightly to extract the nutmeg butter from the paste. Wrap the nutmeg paste in a cheesecloth or muslin cloth. Collect the oil and allow to cool. After cooling, the oil will become hard. You can leave as is or pound it into a buttery powder. Ensure that the butter is dry before storing. Thanks for watching.